The best email extractor software of 2024. You can see on the screen, this is an email extractor software. It also has an email verify tool and also bulk email sender software included in the studio version of this software. Okay, so in order to get this email extractor, email verifier and email sender, please head over to x2wizard.com and go and get this software. Okay, so I'll give you a demo of this software and how you can make money using this software. First of all, you can insert your keywords according to your niche. Okay, so I'm going with this work from home niche because this is the niche everybody wants to work from home, make money online. Okay, so this is most uh, wonderful niche that if you are a newbie. Okay, so if you are a newbie, please go with this work at home, work from home, online jobs niche. Okay, so that is the MMO niche, make money online niche. Okay, so I just inserted these keywords and you just have to click start button. Okay, so once you click start button, you can also choose the location or you can choose worldwide and click okay, I will wait. Okay, so once you do that, what this software will do is that it will start extracting emails. Okay, so you can see the results out here. Okay, so do not worry about it saying not responding because it will respond in a few moments. Okay, so you can see the time elapsed out here, results found, URL processed, everything out here. Okay, so the emails that are extracted you can see on the bottom out here. Okay, so or you can see this result found or email extracted. Okay, so now this email extractor software is also the best email extractor software because the emails that are extracted by this email extractor software are in real time, and I've run a lot of campaigns and I've sent a lot of emails. Okay, so from this extracted list, and the conversion rate were very high. Okay, so now if you have your own product, that's awesome. If you do not have your own product, you can head over to clickbank.com and you can see there are a lot of niches out here. Okay, so you can choose any niche, but again, e-business and e-marketing. Okay, so this is the niche that you love to go into. Okay, because if you are newbie, if you do not have products to promote, you can go with this e-business and e-marketing. Right now self-help niche is also doing good, health and fitness is also good, but again, e-business and e-marketing, you'll find lots of offers. Okay, so you do not have to buy this product. Okay, you just have to promote this product and you can start making good amount of money. Okay, so you'll earn $45 per conversion. Okay, so that means from the second month. Okay, if you look at these offers, you can see future and rebuilds out there. Okay, so if you go and let's say get 100 sales in over 3 months. Okay, so you'll make 23 into 100. Okay, so from the second month you'll start making 2300 passive income without doing any work. Okay, so that means this has a rebuild. Okay, so initially the amount may be low, that means for 100 sales you'll make $400, but from the second month you'll make $23 per person you go and refer. Okay, so now you can see out here, get paid to Facebook. Okay, so this type of offer converts really well. You can see with 100 sales you can make $1,500 initially, and from the second month you can make $4,000 every single month with just one offer. Okay, so there are plenty of offers to choose from. Okay, so in order to go and promote these offers, and you just have to click this promote button. Okay, so now the affiliate nickname. Okay, so this is the nickname, this is the username. Okay, so whatever username, whatever while creating a ClickBank account you'll be given a username, just insert your username out here and just click create hop link. Okay, so now the link that you get, okay, so this is the link that you get, will be tracked back to you. That means every sales happening from this link will be tracked back to you and you'll make a good commission out here. Okay, so let's look at the software. Okay, the software has started extracting emails. Okay, so you just have to leave this software open for a few hours so that you can get thousands of emails. Okay, so another site is digistore24.com. okay, so why I want you to go and create an account in this site as well. You can see there are a lot of high ticket offers which pay you 25%, 30%, 40% per conversion. Okay, and sometimes ClickBank do not allow new users to go and create an account, so in that case, if you are a newbie, you can just go and start working on Digital 24, and you can start promoting these offers. Okay, so remember, if you want to write your emails, okay, so you can find, if you go to this affiliate page out here, you can find emails that you can send. Okay, if you do not know how to write cold emails, okay, so you'll get emails that gets a lot of conversions. Okay, so let's go. I'll just show you one of this affiliate page. Okay, so if you just go and click this affiliate page button, okay, so it will take some time to load, just wait. And okay, boom. Okay, so now you have everything that you need to promote that offer. Okay, so but with this example, okay, so with my method, I use email swipes. Okay, so these are already done for you emails written by copywriters that are experts in this. Okay, so they send you 20 emails. Okay, they give you 20 emails that are converting like crazy. Okay, so and if that is not enough, okay, so if you go and get this software from my link, that is x2wizard.com, I'll send you 300 emails. Okay, so that you can send every single day, and by the time you reach 300, you'll make a lot of sales. Okay, so yeah, these are done for you emails. Okay, so you just make sure that you go and hyperlink your affiliate link out here. Okay, so complete your application, you have to hyperlink here. Okay, I'll teach you how to do that in a while. Okay, so yeah, now, okay, so you can find a lot of products on Digital 24, you can find a lot of products on clickbank.com. Okay, so once you go and extract emails, okay, so you can see these emails are still being extracted. You can see the status: 25 emails, results found, URL process, time taken. Okay, so these are being extracted in real time. Okay, remember, now once you go and extract emails, if you do not want to promote these products in the beginning, okay, so maybe you want quick money. Okay, so if you want quick money, head over to fiverr.com and just type in lead generation. Okay, so you'll see a lot of gigs out here. Okay, so that's offering you money for leads. Okay, so that means they are selling leads. Okay, and they are getting a lot of orders. Okay, so if you see out here, 1k orders, 200 orders, 398 orders, 524 orders, and they're okay. So for example, this guy, okay, 40 into 1k, that means he's made $40,000. Okay, with just 1 gig. Okay, so you can create a lot of gigs and just make similar gigs. Okay, just go to one of these gigs and just learn about what this guy is offering. Okay, I'll do unlimited B2B email leads generation for any industry. Okay, so that you can do with this software. Okay, so you just have to write the keywords, and this software will give you all those leads which you can sell on fiverr.com. Okay, so if you go to the description of this video and join fiverr.com and create a gig and start working on this, I'll also give you methods on how to rank your gigs, and there are a lot of things you can do to skyrocket your earnings. Okay, so just make sure you use the links on the description for everything that I'm showing you right now. Okay, now once you go and once you start promoting offers, okay, so once you start promoting offers, you want to build your list. Okay, so you want to make a funnel. Okay, so in order to make a funnel, this is the funnel builder software. Okay, so which is free to use. You can go and make funnels, and you can also send emails. Okay, so it also has an autoresponder, website builder, affiliate program management, okay, business automation, evergreen webinars. You can create webinars. Okay, so you can also create your own courses for blogging, or you can sell products. Okay, but for this method you'll need sales funnel. Okay, so that because once you have products to promote, okay, so now instead of people going directly to the product page, okay, you want to create a funnel so that you can capture their email. Okay, so you can capture their email using this website. Okay, so you can go and capture their email, and you can just follow up with the emails. Okay, so remember, this page only has 20 emails. Okay, so if you go and get this software from my links, I'll send you 300 emails. I'll also send you subject line that gets open rates. These are brand new subject lines. Okay, so this is the beauty of this method. Okay, so now you can see if you leave this software open for around 1 hour or 2 hours, okay, so you'll get tons and hundreds and thousands of emails. Okay, so for now, but I'm going to stop this out here so that I can show you the other steps that you need to do. Okay, so once you stop this, what you have to do is you have to click this verify extracted emails. Okay, so now what this software will do is that it will remove all the duplicate emails, it will remove all the fake emails that have been extracted. Okay, so it will try and clean your list. Okay, so it will clean your list up to 90%. Okay, at least 80% it will go and clean your list. Okay, so that is very important, because whenever you are sending emails, you want your emails to reach the inbox primary tab. Okay, you do not want to reach the promotion tab, you do not want to reach the spam folder. Okay, so you want your emails to reach the primary tab of the recipient. Okay, so that's very very important. Okay, because if you send even millions of emails and that do not reach the inbox primary tab, it's of no use. Okay, so you have to reach the primary tab, and or the promotional tab. Okay, not the spam folder. Okay, so but this software will help you reach the primary tab, and I'll show you how. Okay, so once you go and extract emails, okay, so you have to go and verify these emails. Okay, so verification is also real easy. Okay, so you just have to you can verify by domain or syntax. Okay, so or both. Okay, so if you go and select all and click start, it will start verifying these emails. Okay, so there's just a small list, so I do not want to verify right now. For this example, I'll just set all these emails as valid, but do not do that. Okay, so after you go and validate this emails, okay, so you can search up, there are a lot of stuff. Okay, so you can export these emails. Okay, so you can export to Excel, Word, and you can also copy to clipboard and use it. Okay, so this also have a list manager where you can manage your list. Okay, so this list manager comes very handy when you start running a lot of campaigns. Okay, so if you go to fiverr.com, okay, so whenever you are selling leads, okay, so you will need you'll need this exporter. Okay, so export, so that you can export to Excel and send it to people who go and buy your gigs. Okay, so just make similar gigs. Okay, lead generation, B2B lead generation, prospect email list, targeted leads, business leads. Okay, so you can just go and copy one of these profiles and start selling leads to people. Okay, so people love leads. Okay, so businesses love leads. Okay, so even they even pay $20 per lead. Okay, so I've seen that. Okay, so this is the beauty of this software. Okay, so and it does not end here. Okay, because it also has a mail sender, which is what this method is all about. Okay, you extract a lot of emails. Okay, so you find products on ClickBank, you find products on Digistore24, and after that go and send bulk emails. Okay, so this software comes with bulk email software. Okay, so give it some time for the software to load. Okay, so meanwhile, while the software is loading, okay, meanwhile I want to show you something else also. So if you are interested, okay, so if you are interested in affiliate marketing, okay, so if you do not want to go and extract emails, send emails, okay, so if you want to go directly to paid marketing, okay, so this is the community that I want you to go and join. Okay, so it's free to join. Go and look at this, look at the post. Okay, so you can just upgrade for just $20 per month. Okay, so there are a lot of posts out here. Okay, so there are a lot of posts out here regarding paid marketing. Okay, so if you have the budget, okay, so and you do not need a lot of budget. Okay, so you just need $5 per day on Facebook or push ads. Okay, so go and start making money. Okay, so paid ads is the best way to get traffic, it's the fastest way to get traffic. Okay, so just go out here. Okay, so now this guy called Luke, okay, so he was an affiliate manager for a company called Purefly Affiliate Network. Okay, so you may many already know him. Okay, so he started this website F-Lift. Okay, so that you can go and learn. Okay, so there are lots of people out here, there are lots of companies who will come and help you in your, if you have any issues, comment. There are also follow-up threads where you can go and follow up with people. Okay, there are posts. Okay, so this is something that is very very important. Okay, so because eventually, okay, so after you go with this email extractor thing, you want to come to this paid ads. Okay, so and this paid ads is awesome. Okay, so push ads, just go and upgrade. Okay, so you can just pay $350 for lifetime access to this community, or you can just pay $20 if you are on a budget. Go with $20 for 1 month. Okay, so make sure you get the push ads guide that costs $79 one time payment. Okay, so this is something that I highly recommend you guys. Okay, so let's continue with our email email sending software. Okay, now this is the email sending software. You can send bulk emails out here. Okay, so you can test emails, you can send, you can schedule. Okay, so you can add recipient, all the recipient that was extracted. Okay, so that the emails that we just extracted are already in this already loaded in this software. Okay, so you can also blacklist it. Okay, so this software also has a spam checker so that your emails do not reach the spam folder. Okay, so you can also track the clicks out here, okay, by going and getting this tracker. And that's it. Okay, so now you just have to insert the subject line. Okay, so I'll send you subject line that gets a lot of open rates. Okay, so the emails, okay, so you can write your own emails, or you can use the emails, the 30 emails that I showed you, or once you go and get this software, I'll send you 300 emails. Okay, so at least I have 3000 emails actually going every single day on for different campaigns, but the 300 are the best ones that I get, that are giving me a good conversion. Okay, so this software also has a bulk email sender, which is why I love this software. Okay, so just go to x2wizard.com and get this software. Okay, so get this software, and remember, okay, so to go and get all this software to the links of the description of this video, because I'll be sending you bonuses. I'll be giving you the top programs that are getting more sales while sending emails. Okay, so yeah guys, this is it. I hope you found value in this video. Make sure you like this video, comment on this video, subscribe to my channel for more content about money making. Okay, so that's it guys. Thank you very much. I take a leave. I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.